Have you ever felt like you got away with something scot-free? As English learners, we often struggle with understanding common idioms like this one. But fear not. Today, we're going to dive into the meaning and usage of the idiom scot-free. Let me share a funny story about a time when someone misunderstood the literal meaning of scot-free. My friend, Sarah, was invited to a party at her boss's house. When she arrived, she noticed everyone was dressed up, so she asked her boss, "Do I need to pay a Scot to get in?" Needless to say, her boss was quite confused. So, what does scot-free actually mean? The idiom scot-free refers to escaping punishment or avoiding consequences for an action. Let's see how scot-free is used correctly in a sentence. After the company's annual audit, the CEO was able to walk away scot-free, despite the numerous financial discrepancies found. The key here is that the CEO avoided any punishment or consequences for his actions. Here are some examples of how you can use scot-free in different contexts. Casual conversation: "I can't believe she got away scot-free after crashing her car into the neighbor's fence." Formal setting: the embezzler was not able to escape scot-free, as he was sentenced to 5 years in prison. Negative context: it's not fair that the bully at school always gets to act out scot-free. Humorous context: my little brother thought he could eat all the cookies scot-free, but mom caught him red-handed. Literary context: the villain thought he could commit his crimes scot-free, but justice eventually caught up with him. Business setting: the company's CEO resigned before the investigation, allowing him to leave scot-free. Social media usage: can you believe the politician who was caught in a scandal is still running for office scot-free? To help you remember the meaning of scot-free, think of a person escaping from a crime scene without a single scratch or consequence. This visual image can serve as a mnemonic device to solidify the idiom's meaning in your mind. Now, let's explore some fun facts about the idiom scot-free. The term scot originally referred to a tax or fee paid in medieval England. The idiom reflects the cultural value of fairness and accountability, as it suggests that someone has avoided their rightful punishment. While scot-free is a common misspelling, scot-free is the correct and preferred spelling. Over time, the usage of scot-free has evolved from its original tax-related meaning to a more general sense of avoiding consequences. Here are some related idioms and phrases to scot-free. Similar: off the hook, without a hitch, without a care in the world. Opposite: face the music, pay the piper, bear the brunt. Related: get away with it, slip through the cracks, dodge a bullet. Let's try using scot-free in a sentence. The politician managed to escape the scandal scot-free. Now, let's rephrase that without using the idiom. The politician was able to avoid any consequences for the scandal. I once witnessed a great example of using scot-free in a real-life situation. My friend, who was always late to work, managed to avoid getting in trouble with the boss yet again. When I asked him about it, he simply said, "I got away with it scot-free this time." The idiom perfectly captured the idea that he had avoided any punishment for his tardiness. Let's address some common mistakes and misunderstandings related to scot-free. Grammatical mistake: he got away scot-free, correct, versus he got away scotch-free, incorrect. Meaning misunderstanding: some people think scot-free means without any cost or expense, which is not quite accurate. Inappropriate context: using scot-free to describe a situation where someone genuinely deserved consequences, such as a criminal avoiding punishment. Now, let's test your understanding of scot-free with a few quiz questions. 1. What is the meaning of the idiom scot-free? A. Without any cost or expense. B. Avoiding punishment or consequences. C. Completely free from responsibility. Answer B. 2. Which of the following is a synonym for scot-free? A. Off the hook. B. Face the music. C. Pay the piper. Answer A. 3. Which of the following is an antonym for scot-free? A. Without a hitch. B. Bear the brunt. C. Get away with it. Answer B. In summary, scot-free is a useful idiom that refers to escaping punishment or avoiding consequences for an action. Understanding and using this idiom correctly can greatly improve your communication skills in English. Now that you know the meaning, origin, and proper usage of scot-free, go forth and use it with confidence. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with the idiom scot-free. Share a sentence using the idiom in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English idiom lessons.